Hi all, welcome back to Foodie Zest. Today let's make a non-veg recipe that is popcorn fish and a spicy dip as an accompaniment. Let's see the ingredients needed. For making the popcorn fish, we need about 250 grams of fish fillet. You can take any boneless fish. Then we need lemon juice of half a lemon, oil for deep frying, and water for making the batter. Then we need half cup of corn flakes, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, then 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Then for the dip, we need around 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of SRIRACHA sauce or any hot sauce or chili sauce, whichever you have. You can take any chili sauce which has the flavor of that garlic. If you don't get that, then you can add some minced garlic into the mayonnaise. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now let's get started. First we need to marinate the fish, but before that let's cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now they are ready. And let's marinate the fish by adding some pepper powder, some salt, and some lemon juice. Mix everything well and marinate them for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's quickly make the dip. So into the mayonnaise, I have added the SRIRACHA sauce and the tomato ketchup. And let's give it a nice mix. Once everything is well combined, let's add the mixed herbs and again give it a mix. So now our easy spicy dip is ready. Let's move on to the next process. Here we need to make a batter, so let's add the corn flour into a bowl. Add some maida, some salt, add according to your taste, then some pepper powder, and let's also add some mixed herbs. Let's combine everything well and then add some water and make it into a thin batter. Make sure there are no lumps. If the batter is thick, then we'll get a thick coating over the fish pieces. We don't want that. So you can see the batter is very thin. Let's add the fish pieces into it. Add the pieces gently into the batter and coat them well. Drain off the excess batter and then coat them with the corn flakes. If you want, you can slightly crush the corn flakes so that the flakes aren't too big. Now everything is coated well. Now let's place them onto a plate. Let's do the same with the remaining pieces. Now I have coated all the fish pieces with the batter and the corn flakes. The next step is to fry them. So into a pan, I have added enough oil for deep frying. So once the oil is hot, let's add the fish pieces. Keep the flame on medium to high and make sure the oil is hot, or else the coating will come off. Do not crowd the pan, add each piece gently. Cook on each side for about 2 minutes. That would be enough. If you over fry the fish, it won't be juicy. So make sure you do not fry them for more than 4 minutes. Let's allow them to cook on one side, and after 2 minutes let's just flip them. Do not keep flipping the pieces before they are done, else they'll break. Now after 2 minutes I have flipped the pieces, and we'll wait for 2 more minutes. Now you can see the coating has become crunchy and slightly brown in color. It's the time to take them out. Drain the excess oil with the help of a kitchen towel. Let's make the second batch in the same way. Let's remove them as well. Now they are ready, let's plate them. Here is our crunchy and crispy popcorn fish. It has a nice crisp outer layer with the cornflakes and a nice juicy and soft fish piece inside. You can see it's flaky and soft inside, and we have a spicy accompaniment, the dip. This is a perfect party starter. Please try this recipe at home and give your feedbacks. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. And please do not forget to like and share the videos. Let's meet again with a new recipe video.